Hey there, my friends, and welcome to this training. Hey, listen, I'm going to let you know right up front that this training, this one right here, could be one of the most valuable trainings you've ever watched because I've put together a complete business for you. This all stems from one of my favorite platforms that I've been using for a little over a year. It's an all-in-one, and it's called Leadsleap. And what's really great about Leadsleap is it started out as a traffic generator. It was an advertising platform, but it has evolved and it is stable over the last many years, and it has really turned into probably the most complete platform with business tools that you can build any business around. I mean, it is really comprehensive, and man, I'm just really excited to share it with you. So look, I'm going to give you so much value here to help you set up an entire business, 100% free training with all of the capture pages, with the email follow-ups. And these are things that you are also going to walk away with, not one, but multiple streams of income from this business that I'm going to share with you. Guarantee this is going to be worth your time. In fact, it's going to be really amazing. So make sure that you watch every single video that's going to be down below here. You have to take the time to do it. Don't treat this like a Netflix or don't go through and binge watch everything here. Make sure that you watch a video and then you do it. Make sure you watch the next video, you implement it. You have to take action as you go through these videos, because step by step, this is going to help you get set up, and it shouldn't take you more than maybe an hour and a half to get everything set up that I'm going to walk you through. And by the end, you will have a complete business that is primed for multiple streams of income, and you're going to be ready to explode your income, finally having results that you've always wanted. Now, are you going to be making $1,000 a day tomorrow? No, absolutely not. But you are now going to have the foundation that you can start building a business that is going to be sustainable for you. This is going to get you more leads. Those leads are going to turn into conversions. So you take your leads, which are your opt-ins. It's going to lead to more conversions, which means more opens, more sales. And all of that is going to be because of the way that I've got it set up for you. You're going to receive tremendous value, and you're going to be able to give other people this tremendous value using this business model that I'm going to share with you. Make sure that you watch I cannot emphasize this enough. Make sure that you watch every video in order. I'm going to go over Leadsleap. I'll show you the value of all the tools that are in there, because there are a lot. I mean, you can see just over here on the side, there is a lot of tools that are built into this platform. It's also got built-in traffic. I talked about the advertising piece earlier in this video, and that is built into this platform to help you get views, to help you get traffic to the business that we're going to help you set up, and any other businesses or offers that you have in the future. So what we're going to do is we're just going to get straight into maximizing this platform, which, to be quite frank, is underpriced. I mean, it is absolutely ridiculous how inexpensive this tool is for what it delivers. So are you ready to get started? If you are, then I'll see you in the next video.